चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरोः श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणरघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं श्रीकृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सहगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिन्धो दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। नमो महावदान्याय कृष्णा प्रेम प्रदायिने कृष्णाय कृष्णा चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरत्विषे नमः। पंचतत्वात्मकं कृष्णं भक्तरूपस्वरूपकं भक्तावतारं भक्ताख्यं नमामि भक्तशक्तिकं। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैता गदाधर शिवासदि गौरभक्तवृंदा। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। जन्माद्यस्य यतोऽन्वयादितरतश्चार्थे सुभिज्ञेश्वराट् तेने ब्रह्म हृदयादिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत् सूरयः। तेजो वारिमृदां यथा विनिमयो यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं परं धीमहि। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। स्वस्ति अस्तु विश्वस्य खलः प्रसीदतां ध्यायन्तु भूतानि शिवं मिथो धिया। मनश्च भद्रं भजतादधोक्षजे आवेश्यतां नो मतिरप्यहेतुकी। आप सभी का स्वागत है।
We welcome all of you to today's Bhagavad Gita class.
हम अध्ययन कर रहे हैं
We are studying
अध्याय का 7वां श्लोक।
6th chapter, verse number 7.
पिछले 2 श्लोकों में
In the previous two verses, Bhagavan told Arjun
को अपने आप का उद्धार करना चाहिए
that how we should uplift ourselves
और अपना पतन नहीं करना चाहिए
and not allow ourselves to be degraded.
उसके लिए उसको अपने ऊपर नियंत्रण रखना होगा। अपने ऊपर
And for that we have to keep our mind under control,
व्यक्ति की बात करते हैं तो वास्तव में उस व्यक्ति के मन की बात करते हैं।
because when we talk about a human being, we are actually talking about his or her mind. When we are dealing with a person, we are actually dealing with his or her mind, not with their bodily limbs like hands, legs, or ears, nose. We are dealing with the person's mind, because we think with the mind, we take decisions and act upon those decisions. So whatever is in our mind, we function accordingly. That's why keeping this mind under control and then working this is what it means to uplift
हमारा
ourselves.
पतन का कारण होता है, क्योंकि
But if we fall under the control of mind, then we fall down, because it is the nature of mind to run around here and there for enjoying sense
जो
objects.
अनात्मा है, इनके
So Bhagavan says that one who is anatma, here atma means mind, so one whose mind is not under control, his mind is his only enemy. The enemy is not present somewhere outside, it is seated within only. We hear about this many times, but we do not reflect on this, we do not deliberate on this. We have heard so many times that our enemy is seated within. We do not deliberate on this, but while at behavioral level we always blame others. We always think that this or such and such person is the cause of all my miseries. That is not true, and that is what we have to understand.
आगे वाले श्लोक में
Now in the upcoming verse, Bhagavan says
उसको अगर कोई मन को अपने नियंत्रण में रखता है तो उसका क्या
that if
फल होता है।
somebody keeps the mind under control, what is the result?
तो उस योगारूढ़ का लक्षण क्या है उसको बता।
What is are the symptoms of the yoga rude person, one who has ascended on the path of yoga?
आत्मा समाहितः शीतोष्ण सुख दुखेषु तथा मान अपमानयोः।
Translation.
तो कहते हैं कि जिसकी आत्मा या मन उसके नियंत्रण में है और जो सुख दुख
So he says that one whose mind is under his control
मान और अपमान
and one
इनमें
who is
प्रशांत रहता है तो उसमें परमात्मा को
balanced, whether in heat or cold, happiness or misery, honor or dishonor, such a person has attained the Paramatma, the Supreme Self. So here the main point is Jitatma, what he was speaking about in the previous two verses.
नियंत्रण में है
Here one whose Atma means one whose mind.
कि इंद्रियों पर
In the previous verse he had spoken about conquering over senses.
अध्याय में भी बोला था
In third chapter also he had spoken about this.
इंद्रिय मन बुद्धि इसके अधिष्ठान है, इससे अधिष्ठानम उच्यते। तो उन सब पर हमको नियंत्रण रखना और
So
उसका
keeping
मूल
all of them under control,
जो चीज है वो नियंत्रण रखने की
the main thing that is to be kept under control is the mind.
इंद्रियों पर भी नियंत्रण हो जाएगा, क्योंकि
If mind is under control, then senses can also be controlled, because mind is more powerful than the senses.
ऐसे व्यक्ति को भगवान कहते हैं जितात्मा।
For such a person, Bhagavan says he is Jitatma,
मन को जीत लिया।
one who has conquered over mind and senses.
कैसा होता है?
So such a person, how does he or she behave so that he remains in
मन जो है
an equipoised situation?
परिस्थिति से डामाडोल हो जाता
Currently, our mind is in a state where it becomes disturbed by external situations.
है। बाहरी परिस्थिति कोई व्यक्ति विशेष हो सकता
The
है,
external situation may be some person
हो सकता है।
or
सबसे पहले
some
स्थूल वस्तु की बात करते हैं, शीत उष्ण,
other, it may be environment.
क्योंकि हमारा
So Bhagavan speaks first about environment, heat or cold, because our body has its own body temperature.
उसका एक विशेष तापमान होता है। 98
For a healthy person, there is a
बोलते हैं उसको।
body temperature, like they say 98.6 degree Fahrenheit,
के रखता है
and our body
हमारे
auto balances itself. It maintains the temperature.
पसीना आता है, ठंड होती है तो हम सिकुड़ते हैं
If there is heat, we start perspiring. If there is cold,
बचाने के लिए।
we try to constrict ourselves.
लेकिन बाहर का जब तापमान हमारे अनुकूल नहीं है तो हमको उससे कुछ वेदना होती है, कुछ पीड़ा होती है, अगर ज़्यादा है तो भी और कम है तो भी। तो उसमें मन को समता की स्थिति में रखना,
So keeping the mind in a state of balance,
डोल ना होना, क्योंकि अगर हमारा मन इससे कपने लगेगा तो फिर हम जो कार्य कर रहे हैं उसको नहीं कर पाएंगे। हमारा अपना कुछ
If the body is shaking, then we will not be able to function. We have some duty.
कार्य कर्म है, कर्तव्य कर्म है, तो उसको करने के लिए हमको अपने मन को नियंत्रण
In
में
order
रखना
to
पड़ेगा।
perform our
हमारा
duty,
मन
we
जो
have
है
to
वो
keep our
उद्वेलित
mind
हो गया
under control.
बाहरी वातावरण से।
But if our mind
हम जो
becomes
अपनी
disturbed,
क्रिया कर रहे हैं, अपनी सेवा कर रहे हैं, उसको नहीं कर पाएंगे या ठीक से नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि
then
मन
we
जो
will
है
not be able to perform our duty
रहेगा तो
efficiently
उसको नहीं कर पाएंगे।
because mind is disturbed.
लेकिन अगर हमारा मन नियंत्रण में रहेगा तो बाहर की जो समस्या आ रही है उसको हम सहन करेंगे। जो भगवान ने पहले दूसरे अध्याय में भी कहा था कि तान तितिक्षस्व भारत,
Bhagavan had
कि उनको आप
said in
सहन
the
कीजिए।
second chapter also that you
क्योंकि
should
जैसे
try
मैंने
to
कहा कि
tolerate
हमारा
them.
जो
As I said,
तापमान है शरीर का, तो उसके
we
अनुकूल
have a
बाहर का
body
वातावरण
temperature.
ऐसा तो नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि बाहर का वातावरण तो सुबह से शाम तक बदलता रहता है। रात को ज़्यादा ठंड होती है, दिन में थोड़ा तापमान बढ़ता है, तो हम तब भी तो सहन करते हैं। ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हम हर समय अपने को उसी वातावरण में रखें कि हमें
It is not that we can always be in an environment where there is no
सहन तो
problem.
कुछ ना कुछ करते ही हैं।
So we
जैसे
do
हमको भूख लगती है,
tolerate
तो नहीं
something
हम
or the
तुरंत
other.
भोजन करते हैं।
It is not
जब हम
that
किसी
we,
कार्य में
if we are hungry, it is not that
और
we
भोजन का
eat
समय है, तो
immediately.
उतने समय हम सहन करते हैं उसको।
If we are doing some work
करने का मतलब
and we are hungry, so we tolerate the hunger. So tolerating the hunger means we do not become disturbed by that.
तो इसलिए भगवान कहते हैं कि शीत उष्ण सुख दुख और मान और अमान। तो शीत और उष्ण तो इंद्रिय से संबंधित है, और उसका जो परिणाम होता है वो सुख दुख होता है।
So heat and cold, this is all related to body, and its result
तो
is
उससे हमको कष्ट होता है।
happiness or sorrow. If there is too much heat,
बहुत कम है तो उससे
we feel distressed. Or if
दोनों ही मन के उद्वेग
in the opposite situation,
तो ये बड़ी विचित्र बात भगवान यहाँ
both are due to disturbance of mind.
कहते हैं कि सुख में भी वो उद्वेग
So this here Bhagavan is speaking very interesting point that this person does not become disturbed both in happiness and sorrow. So the question may be raised, why is he speaking about sukha or happiness? Why should someone be disturbed in happiness? If you get everything favorable, will your mind become disturbed? Mind is disturbed only when the situation is unfavorable.
जब अनुकूल परिस्थिति रहती है,
When situation is favorable,
नहीं होता,
then your mind is not disturbed. Then why is Bhagavan speaking about that?
बहुत सूक्ष्म विषय है।
This is a very subtle point.
क्योंकि वास्तव में हमारा मन जो विचलित होता है वो द्वंद्वों के कारण होता है।
Because actually our mind becomes disturbed due to dualities.
तो दुख से कष्ट आएगा ही आपको। तो इसलिए दोनों को छोड़ना पड़ेगा।
We have to give up both the dualities.
तो हम उसका भोग करते हैं।
But what happens is when we are in a favorable situation, we try to enjoy it more.
अनुभव लेते हैं,
We
प्रसन्न रहते हैं।
try to experience the favorableness more and more. But this experiencing of happiness is the seed of future misery.
आपको उद्वेग उठाना ही पड़ेगा।
When you enjoy happiness, you are bound to suffer
होता क्या है कि जब किसी
later.
को समस्या आती है तब वो
Generally what happens is that when somebody is in some problem,
उनकी तो छोड़िए, जो साधक है वो सुनेगा कि क्योंकि हमको अपना मन का नियंत्रण रखना है, तो वो उसको मन को नियंत्रण रखने का प्रयास कब करेगा? जब प्रतिकूल परिस्थिति होगी, और जब अनुकूल परिस्थिति होगी तब कुछ नहीं करेगा वो।
the sadhaka tries to control his mind when situation is unfavorable, but does not try to control when situation is favorable. So this does not work. If you are enjoying the favorable situation, then you are bound to suffer in the unfavorable situation. This is guaranteed. You cannot stop this,
प्रतिकूल
because
का भोग करते हैं
when you enjoy when you enjoy the favorable situation,
हैं तो आप प्रतिकूल परिस्थिति में दुख उठाने के
then
बीज बो देते हैं।
you have sown the seed of suffering in the unfavorable situation.
और उसका फल बाद में आता है, तुरंत तो नहीं आता ना। तो जैसा बीज बोओगे उसी प्रकार का फल आएगा। अगर आप कांटे का पेड़ लगाते हैं तो उससे आपको आम का फल तो नहीं मिलेगा। तो उसी प्रकार से जब आप सुख का भोग करते हैं तो इसका मतलब आप दुख का बीज बो रहे हैं।
So when you are enjoying the happiness, you are sowing the seed of sorrow.
उसको आप नहीं रोक सकते। तो इसलिए अगर आप दुख से दुखी होना नहीं चाहते
So
हैं,
if you do not want to be disturbed by misery,
सुख से सुख मत
then do not enjoy the happiness.
उससे सोचिए कि ये जैसा सुख आएगा वैसे ही दुख आता है, दोनों बाहरी चीज हैं।
Think that the way I am getting happiness, I will get sorrow also.
प्रवचन में भी कहा था कि हमको अपने को मन से अलग सोचना पड़ेगा कि मैं मन नहीं हूँ, मैं मन से भिन्न हूँ। तो सारी समस्या तक कब होती है जब हम उससे तादात्म्य कर लेते हैं। जब हम अपने आप को अपने मन से ऐक्य
When we establish oneness of the mind with ourselves, then this problem happens.
कोई वृक्ष की शाखा है,
So, like if there is a branch of a tree, and if I hold on to the branch, to that
तो मैं भी शांत रहूंगा।
branch, when the branch moves, shakes, I will also shake. So, if we hold on to the mind, so meaning if we establish oneness with the mind, hold on to it very tightly, as the mind wavers, we will also waver.
तो मन हिलेगा, हम भी हिलेंगे, फिर कहेंगे अरे मैं दुखी हूँ, मैं सुखी।
Then we say, when we are happy or we are in misery, but actually these feelings are only in the mind. These are just vrittis.
दुख क्या है? वृत्तियां हैं मन की।
Happiness and sorrow is nothing but vritti of the mind, nothing else.
मनोविज्ञान या न्यूरो साइंस जो है वो भी बताती है कि जब हम
So this modern science or neuroscience, it also says that when we experience something, then
उज्ज्वलित होते हैं,
some
वही अनुभव इतना
neurons get activated in the brain. That's nothing more.
को हम अच्छा मानते हैं
And
क्योंकि सुख क्या है?
we divide that in two categories, something favorable, something unfavorable.
वो जो वेदना, वेदना तो वेदना ही है, लेकिन
So the experience is experience only, but when it is favorable, we say it is happy, and when it is unfavorable, we say this is
लाइट जल
sorrow. In brain, there are only some, there is only some light. So in one part, if there is light, it is happiness. In other part, it is sorrow. We are not that light. We are different from that.
उसको केवल देखना, साक्षी
So just becoming witness of that and not becoming distressed, this is what we call jitatma.
वो तादात्म्य की जो स्थिति है,
So this situation of tadatmya or oneness,
उसी को आसक्ति बोलते
this is the cause of sorrow.
हैं। उससे हम तादात्म्य कर लेते हैं।
That is asakti or attachment. Attachment is nothing else but establishing our oneness with something or some person. When we are attached to a person, we establish oneness with the person. It is as if something happened to that person, we think it has happened to me only. So we have to give that up because that is not the reality.
जो बहुत ही प्रायोगिक बात भगवान कहते हैं इस श्लोक
And then something very practical that Bhagavan is speaking in this verse, that is honor or dishonor.
तो मान अपमान क्या है? मान का मतलब
So what is this honor or dishonor? Honor means somebody praises you
शब्द बोलता है
with nice words, so you become happy.
और थोड़े कड़वे वचन बोल देता है,
And if somebody criticizes you, uses harsh words,
तो वास्तव
then you become sad. But actually those words are just words.
में जो गर्मी है, सर्दी है, तो उसको हम अपनी शरीर से अनुभव करते हैं और वो
At
हमारे
least
शरीर को
heat
ठंड
and
करता है।
cold
लेकिन मान
we
अपमान जो है ये
experience through our body, but this honor
मान जो है
dishonor, it
वायु,
is just some wave.
जब कोई वचन बोलता है तो वायु में एक तरंग ही तो है वो। तो क्या वायु को पता चलता है कि ये मान है या अपमान है? उस तरंग से क्या वायु को कुछ अच्छा बुरा लगता है क्या? लेकिन हम उस तरंग को पकड़कर उसका फिर अनुवाद
So we
करते
just hold on to the wave
हैं,
and
अच्छा
then
है और आप प्रसन्न
we
होते हैं, ये बुरा है,
interpret that
उससे दुखी होते हैं।
this is good, this is bad.
तो ऐसा ना करना, तो उसके लिए कैसे संभव है? क्योंकि ऐसे तो हमको आदत पड़ी हुई है। और जब जब आप अपनी प्रशंसा सुनकर प्रसन्न होते हैं तो आप बीज बो रहे हैं कि
When you become happy by hearing your
निंदा
praise,
होगी, तो आप
then you are
इसलिए अगर
sowing the
आपको अपनी
seed
प्रशंसा अच्छी लगती है
of sorrow
तो
when you will
निंदा
be
में आपको
criticized.
दुख होगा ही।
So if you derive happiness
तो
from
लेकिन हम क्या
praise,
करते हैं, हम
then you
दुखी
are
होना नहीं
bound
चाहते हैं, लेकिन
to
प्रशंसा
suffer
को पसंद करते हैं।
when you are criticized.
तो
But
वो
we
इसी
just
प्रकार से
want
है
one
जैसे
part. We only
आपको
want
कोई
praise,
सिक्का दे
not the criticism.
तो
So
आप
it
ये
is
कहें कि नहीं,
like
मेरे को हेड
if you
चाहिए,
are
टेल नहीं
given
चाहिए।
a coin and you say that I just want the
तो
head,
सिक्का
not the
आएगा तो
tail.
दोनों तरफ के ही आएंगे ना।
But that is not
अगर
possible.
आपको कोई
If you have a
सिक्का दे रहा
coin,
है
you have both the
तो
sides
उसमें
of the
हेड
coin.
और टेल दोनों ही आएंगी।
If
ऐसा तो नहीं कह
somebody
सकते
gives
नहीं
you a
कि दोनों
coin, you
तरफ के
get
चाहिए,
both head
एक
and
तरफ
tail.
नहीं चाहिए।
It is not that
जैसे वो
you
कहानी है ना,
uh,
जो
just
मुर्गी
want
मुर्गी
one
अंडा देती है
side of the coin
तो
and
उसमें
not the
क्या
other
बोलती है,
one.
मेरे को आगे वाला हिस्सा नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को
It's
पीछे
like
वाला
the
चाहिए,
the
क्योंकि अंडा तो
story
पीछे से
of
आता है।
the hen laying the
आगे
egg
से तो उसको
when
भोजन
the
करना पड़ता
person
है।
said that I just want the backside because I get the egg from
तो
there, but I
अगर
don't
हमारी
want the
जो
front
आधी
side because
हिस्से
in
से
front
जान
side
कहता
we I
है
have to feed.
दूसरी वाली मेरे को नहीं चाहिए,
So the
तो
person
ऐसा तो
said
संभव
that
नहीं है।
give me half of this, just
अगर
a
आपको अंडा
backside,
चाहिए
not
तो
the
उसको
front side.
भोजन भी कराना
But
पड़ेगा।
that is not possible. If you want the egg, you
आधी
also
मुर्गी
have
तो
to
आपको
feed
अंडा
it.
नहीं देगी। तो इसी
Half
प्रकार से
hen
अगर
cannot give you egg.
निंदा में दुखी नहीं होना चाहते हैं
Similarly, if you
तो
do not
प्रशंसा में
want to
सुखी होना
suffer
चाहिए।
on being
अगर आप
criticized,
प्रशंसा में
then
सुखी होते हो,
don't
लेकिन
feel happy on being praised.
कोई अगर झूठी भी प्रशंसा कर दे तो उससे भी
Everyone
सुखी
feels
होते हैं।
happy on being
अगर
praised.
आपको पता
Even
भी है
if
कि झूठ बोल
somebody
रहा है
praises you
तो भी अच्छा
falsely,
लगता
still
है।
you feel happy.
प्रशंसा सुनने की हमको
You
ऐसी
know
आदत
that
पड़
it
गई
is
है
false praise,
कि
still
हम
you
झूठी
feel
प्रशंसा
happy.
से भी
We are so
प्रसन्न हो जाते
accustomed
हैं।
to enjoying praise.
कोई आपको
We even
उपदेश भी दे
enjoy
रहा है
false
कि
praise.
आप एक
If
प्रयोग
somebody
करके देख
comes to
सकते
you,
हो।
you can
आप
try it.
किसी से कहें कि आप मेरे को झूठी प्रशंसा करो,
Tell
आप
someone
उसको
that
सुनिए,
you praise me in a false way,
तो
and you
आपको अच्छा
hear
लगेगा।
that. You'll see
आप
that
भी
you will
कहें कि
enjoy
आप
it.
झूठी प्रशंसा
You
करो,
yourself are telling that
आप बात मेरी
person,
झूठी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन
praise
वो भी
me
अच्छा लगेगा
falsely,
आपको।
but still you will
ऐसे
enjoy
क्यों है?
that. So, why is it like this?
तो उसका मूल कारण यही है
The main
कि हमको
reason
प्रशंसा
is
की इतनी भूख है
we have such a
कि
deep
अगर उसकी
hunger
सुगंध भी आ
for
जाए
praise that even
तो
if we
भूल
can
सकते हैं।
smell praise somewhere,
जैसे कोई अगर
we
भूख
like
से मर
that.
रहा है आदमी
Like if
तो उसको
somebody is
भोजन की
dying out of
फोटो दिखा
hunger,
दो
you just
मतलब उसको
show
भूख
him
लग जाएगा
the photo of some
कि कम से
food,
कम भोजन का फोटो
he will
तो है,
like that
तो भूख
photo
लग जाएगी।
also. Even if I am not getting
तो
food, at
भोजन
least I
है
see
नहीं
the photo. There is no food,
वो भी अच्छा लगता
but still you like the photo of food
है।
also.
तो इसी प्रकार से
In the same way,
प्रशंसा हमको अच्छी लगती है, लेकिन
we
प्रशंसा अच्छी
like
लगती है इसलिए
praise.
निंदा से दुख होता है, क्योंकि ये बिल्कुल
That is
समान
why
हो
we
नहीं सकते।
suffer on being criticized. Praise and
उदाहरण के लिए
criticism are two sides of the
अलग अलग
same
नहीं है।
coin. They always
तो
go
ये जो
together.
यहाँ पर
They are
बात
never
भगवान बता रहे हैं सुख दुख
separate.
और मान और अपमान की, ये बहुत
So here
महत्वपूर्ण
what
है
Bhagavan is telling about happiness,
और इसका
sorrow,
प्रायोगिक
honor,
रूप
dishonor, this is very important.
जो हम अपने जीवन में देख सकते हैं वो यही है कि हमारे
And we
जितने
can
भी
see the
संबंध होते हैं,
practical
पारिवारिक संबंध
application
हों
of
या
this
फिर
in our
भाईचारे के
life.
संबंध हों
Whatever
या हम
relations we have
कार्य
with
क्षेत्र में
in our
हमारे संबंध
family or
हों,
friends or in
तो वो
our
संबंध बिगड़ते
office,
इसी कारण से ही हैं,
why these
मान
relations
अपमान
get
के कारण
spoiled, it is all because of
प्रशंसा
this
को
honor
बढ़ाने
and
के कारण।
dishonor. Somebody tells
उस
you
एक वाक्य
something
से आप
and just by one statement
उद्विग्न हो जाते हैं
you become totally
और
disturbed,
फिर
and
उसकी
then
प्रतिक्रिया होती है
there is reaction to that action,
करते हैं बदला
and
लेने
you
का,
also
हमारा
do
तो मन
something
विचलित
to
हो
take
जाता है।
revenge because now
तो
your
मन
mind
जब
is
विचलित हो जाता है
agitated.
तो
When
किसी
mind
वजह
is
से भी
agitated, it
अगर
starts
मन शांत
reacting.
है तो कोई प्रतिक्रिया नहीं
When
करेगा,
mind is peaceful, it will not
तो वहाँ से
react
क्या प्रतिक्रिया होती है?
because with a
लेकिन
peaceful mind cannot react.
वो अशांति से ही होती है।
All reactions happen
शांति हो
by
पाती है
disturbed mind only. All every action happens in a state of disturbance. In a
तो
state of
अशांत
complete
व्यक्ति को
balance, there will
प्रतिक्रिया
be
करने
no
के लिए
action.
उनकी तरफ से फिर प्रतिक्रिया आएगी।
So when your mind is agitated, you react. Again, the other person reacts, and then our relationships are spoiled.
तो अगर हमको
This is the problem.
परिवार में
So in our family
अपने समाज में अच्छे
or
संबंध
in our
बनाने हैं,
society, if
तो
we
हमको ये
want good
करना
relations,
पड़ेगा।
then
विशेष
we
रूप
have
से
to
मान अपमान,
follow this instruction of Bhagavan,
क्योंकि इस
especially
मान
tolerating
के
honor
लिए
and
हमारे अंदर
dishonor.
बहुत आकांक्षा रहती है।
We have a very deep desire for
इसका कारण ये
being
है
honored, for
वास्तव में
hearing
हम जो है
praise.
नहीं, हम वो दिखाना
And
चाहते हैं।
the reason is that we want to
क्योंकि अगर
show
हम हैं वो
ourselves
हैं
to
ही, तो हमें
others
फिर सुनने की आवश्यकता नहीं है।
for what we are not.
अगर
Because
मैं विद्वान हूँ
if we are praised for
तो
what
मेरे को
we
बार
are,
बार
then
सुनने
what
की
is the,
आवश्यकता
why
नहीं है,
should I
इतना
hear
मैं
that?
जानता हूँ।
Because if I am
लेकिन जब मैं नहीं हूँ
scholarly, I know I am
तो
scholarly, why should I hear that again and again?
करने के लिए उससे सुनना
But what I am not, I want to fulfill that, so I
मैं
want to
चाहता हूँ
hear
कि
that again and again.
क्योंकि अगर
So I
मैं
desire
हाँ
that somebody
में
should
विद्वान
praise
रहता
me
तो
for what I am not.
भगवान आगे वाले श्लोक में
Because
कहेंगे
if I am know that I am intelligent,
तो मैं तृप्त हूँ, मैं संतुष्ट हूँ,
then I
क्योंकि
am
दूसरे से भी कुछ नहीं मांगना
self-satisfied.
है।
I do not
जब मैंने
want
भोजन
to
कर
hear
लिया,
that
मेरा
from
पेट भर
somebody.
गया,
If I am,
तो
if
अब
I
मैं
have eaten
दूसरे से
food, my
आकर के
stomach is
बोलूँ कि
full.
मुझे कुछ भोजन दे।
Why should I desire food from somebody?
तो जब मैं अपने आप में तृप्त रहता हूँ
So when I
तो
am
मेरे को दूसरे से कुछ
self-satisfied,
सुनने की आवश्यकता नहीं
I
रहती है।
do not
जब मैं
desire
तृप्त नहीं रहता हूँ
to hear praise
तो
from
मैं
someone.
आकांक्षा करता हूँ,
When I am
और जब मेरी आकांक्षा
dissatisfied,
पूर्ति नहीं
then
होती
I
तो मैं
desire
क्रोधित
to be
रहता हूँ।
praised. And when I do not get the praise,
और
then I
आकांक्षा के
become
विरुद्ध
sad.
कुछ बोल देता है तो फिर मैं
And if
क्रोधित हो
somebody
जाता हूँ।
speaks something contrary to what I want
तो
to
प्राय
hear,
करके
then
संबंध जो
I
हैं
start
इसी कारण से
fighting.
खराब होते हैं।
So mostly relations are spoiled due
केवल
to
वचन
this
से।
only, just by words.
और जब हमारा हमारे मन पर नियंत्रण नहीं होता है
And when we do not have control over our mind, then we do not have control
हमारा
over our
मन
words
पर
also.
नियंत्रण है तो हम जब
If
कुछ वचन
we
बोलेंगे दूसरे को तो समझ
have a
कर बोलेंगे
controlled
कि दूसरे को
mind,
दूसरे के ऊपर
then
क्या
we will speak in a
असर
very
पड़ेगा
conscious way,
और मैं दूसरे का अपमान क्यों करूं।
and we will think before speaking
इसलिए श्री
how
चैतन्य
my words
महाप्रभु
can
ने
affect the
बहुत
other
सोच
person.
नियम
So
दिए
why
हैं
should I
शिक्षाष्टकों में।
dishonor somebody? That's why Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu spoke these golden words in Shikshashtakam.
दो शब्द
Amanina manadena.
मान दें कि अपने
Two
मान पर
words,
आप क्यों
amanina
क्रोधित होते हैं
manadena. Do not
और दूसरे
desire
को मान दीजिए।
respect and honor, rather give respect and honor to
मान
others.
देने में तो हमारा कुछ खर्च नहीं होता है,
Because you don't spend any money for
कुछ वचन
respecting
बोलना है
somebody,
अपने शरीर से
for
कुछ
uh,
क्रिया करना, हाथ
speaking
जोड़ना,
in a
सिर झुकाना,
respectful way,
इतना ही तो है
or
प्रिंसिपल, फिर उसमें
bowing
मान चाहिए
down,
और क्या।
or being humble.
तो उसमें मेरा क्या घाटा जाता है।
So, what is my
लेकिन
loss if
उससे
I
कितना
respect someone?
माहौल वातावरण कितना अच्छा हो जाता है, कितना
And if
हमारा
I can
मन
do
बदल
this,
जाता है।
if I can
हम
respect
आपस में
others,
सहयोग कर
and
सकते
if
हैं,
everyone can do this,
इसमें
then the
तभी आप कीर्तन कर सकते
atmosphere
हैं।
becomes so nice. And
अगर
only
हम
in such
आपस में
an
मतभेद नहीं करेंगे
environment,
तो कीर्तन
Kirtan is
कैसे करेंगे।
possible.
कीर्तन का
If we are
मतलब है कि
fighting
आपस
among
में
ourselves, then how
सहयोग
can
करना।
we perform Kirtan? Kirtan means there
आपका
should be
मृदंग अगर बज
cooperation
रहा है, करताल कंठ में
before
वही है।
in Kirtan. Otherwise, your Mridanga, Kartal,
तो
all
इसलिए
nothing is
भगवान
synchronized. Then that
ये
is not called
महत्वपूर्ण
Kirtan.
है, ये केवल भक्ति के लिए ही नहीं
So
है, ये
this is very
समाज के लिए
important,
भी है।
not just for
तृणादपि
bhakti,
सुनिचेन
even for the
नित्यं
society.
तो
The Trinadapi
इसको
Sunichena
सहन
verse
करना
is very important for the
और
society
सहन करने
also.
से फायदा ये होगा कि
Practicing
आपका मन शांत
tolerance.
रहेगा।
And if you
वास्तव
tolerate,
में तो
your
सहन करने
mind
की
will
जरूरत ही नहीं
be
है, जब आप
peaceful.
जब मन में
Actually, there
स्थिर हो
is no
जाओगे
need to tolerate
तो
also if
सहन नहीं
you are
करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि वो
self-satisfied.
उसका
If you are
आपके ऊपर असर ही
self-satisfied,
नहीं
why do you
पड़ेगा।
have to tolerate? Because you will not be
सहन
affected
करने का
only.
मतलब है कि आपके ऊपर कोई
Tolerance
प्रभाव आ
means
रहा है
you are being affected
और आप उसको
and
सहन कर रहे हैं।
you are tolerating
लेकिन
that.
आपकी एक
But
ऐसी स्थिति आती है कि
when
मान
you
अपमान से
reach a
आप पर कोई असर
situation
ही नहीं पड़ता।
when you are not even affected by honor and dishonor,
जब मान और अपमान का आपके ऊपर असर ही नहीं पड़ेगा तो आपको सहन ही क्या करना है।
In such a situation, what is there for you to
तो
tolerate?
जब हम अपने आप में स्थित हो जाते
So
हैं,
when
मैंने कहा
we
था
are
परमात्मा
situated within
समाहित,
ourselves, like
या
here
आप
Bhagavan
परमात्मा में
said,
समाहित हो
Paramatma
जाते हैं,
Samahita,
यानी कि परमात्मा
that
को प्राप्त
you
कर लेते हैं,
attain Paramatma,
परमात्मा के साथ बैठ जाते हैं, तो फिर आपको बाहर की चीजें उद्वेग नहीं करते हैं, वो
then you do not become agitated by
नहीं देते।
external disturbances.
तो जब कोई आपकी निंदा करता है
When somebody criticizes
तो
you,
उसके लिए एक साधारण सा मंत्र है,
for that there is a
ताकि आप उससे विचलित ना हो। वो मंत्र
simple
ये है कि ये
mantra
मेरी निंदा
so
कर
that
रहा
you
है,
are not disturbed. What is that mantra?
तो
That is,
एक तो ये
this
मेरी
person
निंदा
is
इसलिए कर रहा है
criticizing me.
कि
First
मैंने
of all, he is criticizing
पहले
me
कुछ ऐसा कर्म
because
किया था
earlier I had done something
जिससे ये मेरी निंदा कर रहा है,
because of which he is
ये मेरा अपना
criticizing me.
कर्म का फल मेरे को मिल
It
रहा
is
है,
nothing but the
और ये
reaction
अच्छी
of
बात है कि
my
मेरे को फल
own
मिल गया,
previous
और अब मैं इस फल
karma.
मिलने की प्रतिक्रिया
So
नहीं
it is
करूंगा।
good that I got the reaction of
तो
my
ये कर्म
karma,
मेरा यहीं
and
समाप्त,
if I do not give counter reaction,
क्योंकि
then
अगर
my
मैं
karma will
प्रतिक्रिया
be
करता हूँ
finished.
तो मैं फिर कर्म
Because
की
if
एक
I give counter
श्रृंखला में फंसा
reaction,
देता हूँ,
then I
तो यहाँ
create a new cycle
प्रतिक्रिया
of
रूपी
karma,
बंधन
and
में
this
पड़
is what
जाता
we
हूँ।
do. That is
तो
why
अगर
we
हमको
remain
इस फल और
implicated in the
बंधन
bondage
से
of
मुक्त
karma.
होना है
If we want to
कि
become free
ये
from the
सब जो
bondage of
विघ्न
karma,
आपके
then we
पास
should
बड़ी प्रतिकूल
see like
परिस्थिति आ
this,
रही है,
that when
तो
we
उससे
are facing an
प्रतिक्रियावान रहना
unfavorable
चाहिए कि ये मेरे
situation,
पूर्व जन्म के या
then
इसी जन्म के
instead
किसी
of
बुरे
counter
कर्म का
reacting,
फल मेरे को
just
मिल रहा है, और
accept
अब
the
मैं इस
situation as
कर्म
a
से मुक्त हो
reaction
रहा हूँ,
of your previous
तो
karma
मैं
in this
शांत
life or
रहूंगा।
in some previous
अगर
life.
मैं शांत
So
नहीं
you
रहूंगा
should
तो
you
प्रतिक्रिया
can become
दिखाऊंगा,
peaceful
तो
thinking
उस
that your
कर्म से
previous karma is becoming
विघ्न के
exhausted.
फल और फल
Otherwise,
भोगने
you
के
sow
लिए
the seeds of new karma, and then again reaction, counter
और
reaction, and
ऐसा
the cycle
सोचिए कि ये व्यक्ति
continues.
जो मेरी निंदा कर रहा है,
And
इसको भी
second thing, you
परमात्मा को
should
मैं
think
धन्यवाद दूं,
that if this person is
क्योंकि ये मेरे
criticizing
कर्म का
me,
फल
I
देने का
should
निमित्त बना है।
thank him because
तो
he
जब ये फल
has
किसी के माध्यम से
become
तो आएगा ही,
the
तो
agent
इसके
of
माध्यम से आ रहा
the
है,
reaction
ये
of
मेरा
my
कर्तव्य
karma.
है।
Be- because somebody has to be the agent of that. So this person
तो इसलिए
is
आप
actually favoring
धन्यवाद
me
दीजिए,
by becoming the agent
क्योंकि ये
for the
निमित्त बन
reaction
रहा
to
है
my karma.
आपकी शुद्धि करने में, आपके
So
मन
you
को
should thank
सुधार
him
रहा है।
for
जैसे
clearing
आपने देखा
your
होगा कभी
chitta
कि
by
जब गाय
exhausting your karma.
बच्चा देती है
Like you must
तो
have
उसके बाद
seen
में उसको चाटती रहती
when
है,
a
चाटते
calf is
चाटते उसे साफ
born,
करती है।
the cow
तो जो
keeps
हमारी निंदा
licking
कर
the
रहा है वो
calf
वास्तव में हमारे
and
मन को साफ कर रहा
cleans the calf's body. So one who is
है, हम शुद्ध हो रहे हैं,
criticizing me, he is
मन को शुद्ध कर
actually
रहे हैं।
clearing my chitta by exhausting the karma.
और
So I should thank him or her.
साधक होने के नाते हम ऐसा भी सोच सकते हैं कि ये
And
निंदा कर
being a
रहा है तो मेरे
sadhaka,
कुछ
we should also
दोष जो
think
हैं
that if
उनको
somebody is
मेरे खिलाफ डाल
criticizing
रहा है,
me,
तो
then
मेरे दोषों
basically
को
he
देखना
is
होगा कि मेरे अंदर क्या कमी है,
throwing light on my
क्योंकि जो
defect,
निंदा नहीं करेगा
because my friends will
तो
not point my
ये व्यक्ति
defects,
मेरे दोषों
but
को
this
मेरे को बता
person
रहा है जो मेरे को कोई
is
नहीं बता रहा,
pointing out my defects
और मेरे को इसके
that
लिए सौ
nobody
पैसा नहीं
says,
देना पड़ रहा है,
and I don't even have to pay money to
ये
this
फ्री में होता
person
है।
for pointing my defect.
नहीं
He
तो
is
मुझे
doing it for free.
साइकोथेरेपिस्ट के पास जाना पड़ता,
Otherwise, I have to
साइकोथेरेपी
approach a
करना, और
psychotherapist
तब वो
and I
मेरे
have
को
to spend so much
बताता
money.
कि आपके अंदर ये कमी
Then
है।
that man or
तो इसलिए ये
woman,
धन्यवाद का
they
पात्र
will
होता है,
say, okay, this is your defect
और
and I have
मैं
to
अब
pay for
अपने आप
that.
को
But
सुधार
this
सकता हूँ,
person who is criticizing me is
जैसे
doing it
ये
for
अर्जुन
free.
है वो मेरे
So
को बताता है।
now I understand my
तो
defect,
इसलिए
I can rectify myself.
एक दोहा है कि निंदक नियरे राखिए
That's why
अपने
there
चित्त
is a
समाहित।
verse
कबीर जी का
of
कबीर जी कहते
Kabir
हैं
ji
कि जो
who
आपकी निंदा
says
करता है उसको
that
अपने पास रखो,
those who criticize you, you should keep them close to
निंदा
you.
करने वाला को कोई पसंद नहीं करता है। कबीर जी कहते हैं
Nobody
जो निंदा
likes
करता
those
है
who
उसको अपने
criticize,
पास
but
रखो,
Kabir ji
पास में ना
says,
रखो,
those who
क्योंकि
criticize you,
वो
keep
आपके
them
पास
close to
रहेगा तो
you.
आप हमेशा सावधान
Because
रहोगे,
if you keep them close to yourself,
क्योंकि
then you
पता
will
है कि
always
आपने थोड़ी
remain
सी गलती की
careful.
और ये आदमी
Because you know that if you commit the
मुझे
slightest mistake, then this
तो आपकी
person
हो
is ready
जाएगी।
to point your fault,
तो इसलिए
and then you
निंदक
will
को अपने
improve.
घर के बाहर उसका एक कुटिया बना दो
So
और
he
उसमें उस
says,
सबको रखिए,
you make a home near your home
और जब
for
कोई
this
आपकी
person
प्रशंसा
who
करता है
criticizes you. Keep him close to
तो
yourself.
उसके लिए क्या सोचें,
And one who praises
तो
you,
उसके लिए
what
सोचें
should
कि
you
ये
think for
व्यक्ति
that person?
वफादार है,
You should think that this person is very generous,
उनको भी देख रहा है,
that even though I don't have virtue, still he is
वास्तव में
trying
मेरे
to
को
find
ऐसा
virtue in me. And actually, I should become like
हमारी
this.
प्रशंसा करता है,
Generally, if somebody praises us, then
फूल जाते हैं गुब्बारे की
we our ego becomes inflated. We think that I am so nice.
कि अगर वास्तव में मेरे अंदर ऐसा गुण है, अगर आप मानते हैं
So if we think
ये इनकी
that
उत्सुकता है,
we should think that if this person is pointing out some virtue in us,
के गुण नहीं है,
then it is the generosity of that person. And if I do not have that virtue, then he is indirectly telling me that I should become like this. I should improve myself.
ऐसा नहीं है।
Actually, I am not
मेरे अंदर ऐसा गुण
so virtuous.
कि ये गुण मेरे अंदर भगवान की
And if I have that virtue, then I should think that this is the grace of Bhagavan. Because I am just a tiny jiva, an angsha of Bhagavan, and this body is gifted to me by Prakriti, by the grace of Bhagavan. So, nothing belongs to me. The body is not mine. If the body would have been mine, then
मरने के बाद मेरे साथ नहीं,
after death,
क्यों नहीं जाता?
this body should I would have been able to take this body with myself after death if I would have actually been the owner of the body. But I got it for a certain time duration.
जब आप वहां से जाते हैं तो
Like if you stay in a hotel, so you do not take the as property of the hotel the bed sheet or
मन को भी ले चलते
the mirror in the bathroom
हैं, गिलास रखा है,
or this glass of water. You cannot take all these things with yourself. They were given to you just for using, so you have to keep them there
उसमें रहिए आप,
and leave. Similarly, body has been given to you for a time duration. You stay in this body,
ऐसे उस
complete your work, and then leave this body.
बढ़िया चीजें हैं वो होटल
So, in your hotel room, there may be very nice things, but still they belong to the hotel, not to you.
आपकी प्रशंसा हो रही है होटल
If somebody is praising that the room is so nice, the praise is for you or for the room. It is not your praise, it is for the room.
शरीर में कुछ गुण जो है
Similarly, we have the body, and the body has certain qualities, and if somebody praises that,
तो ऐसा ही सोचिए
then that praise does not belong to us actually,
जब आप
because it is for the quality in the body.
स्थिर होकर रहेंगे
So, in this way, when we become equipoised in the situation of honor and dishonor, then you will see that your life will become completely peaceful and you will start experiencing ananda in your life.
श्लोक में कहा है जिता
Because in this verse it is said
समाहिता कि उसको परमात्मा प्राप्त हो जाता है,
that such a person attains Paramatma. So, we can attain Paramatma only when we become fully peaceful.
हमारा मन जो है वो प्रशांत
If our mind is agitated,
आत्मा को प्राप्त नहीं
then we cannot attain the Paramatma, because Paramatma is everywhere.
सन्निविष्ट वो कहता है मैं सबके हृदय में
Bhagavan says that I am seated in everyone's heart,
देख नहीं पाते,
but we cannot see him. Why?
हमारा जो
Because
यंत्र है
our instrument of vision is disturbed, it is agitated.
और मेरे को पढ़ना है,
Like if there is something written on the wall and I have to read that, so then
उस पर केंद्रित
I have to focus my eyes on that text.
घूमता रहे तो आप पढ़ नहीं सकते हैं। तो इसी प्रकार से जब हमारा मन विचलित रहता है तो हम
If
परमात्मा
your head is shaking, how will you read properly? Similarly, when our mind is always shaking, we cannot see Paramatma. But when our mind becomes fully peaceful, then we can see Paramatma.
मन है प्रशांत से परमात्मा
That's why Bhagavan says
के जो जितात्मा है
that one who is Jitatma,
वो प्रशांत है और वो उसको
he is Prashant, fully peaceful, and he attains the Paramatma.
उन्होंने बताए हैं कि
And then Bhagavan says the qualities of Jitatma,
इनमें
that such a person remains the same in whether in heat, cold, happiness, misery, honor, dishonor. He does not become agitated. So this is a very useful verse that we can apply in our life. We should practice applying this verse
बोलते हैं
with our family members, that whatever they say, we do not become agitated. Most of the disturbance is by words only.
दूसरा व्यक्ति कुछ बोलता है, वो
Somebody tells you something, you do not like that,
हो जाते हैं।
and then disturbed.
हमको ये सोचना चाहिए कि
But we should think
मेरे पास
that just like
बोलने के लिए जिह्वा है,
I have a tongue, the other person also has a tongue. When I speak,
अनुमति लेकर बोलता हूँ,
do I take permission before speaking?
मैं भी तो अपने स्वेच्छा से बोलता हूँ,
I also speak out of
तो
my desire. Similarly, the other person is speaking by his or her desire.
के वचनों से उद्वेलित
So, just like we become disturbed by the other person's words, we should realize that my words also cause disturbance. So, if we do not want to be disturbed by others' words,
बोलना चाहिए।
then we ourselves should speak very carefully to ensure that others do not become disturbed. But do we follow this? When I speak, do I have the feeling
ठोस ना पहुंचे,
that my words should not disturb others?
ऐसा नहीं सोचता हूँ तो
So if I do not think like this, then others don't think like this.
से मेरे को
And
लगती है,
if I am becoming disturbed by others' words,
मेरे वचनों से भी
then I should realize that my words should also have been disturbing others.
को नहीं सुधारना चाहता हूँ,
So, if I do not want to reform myself, why should I expect others to reform themselves?
तो हम दूसरों से आशा करते रहते हैं,
So, we keep expecting from others that they should improve, but that is not possible. That is not in our control. The only thing that we have in our control is to improve ourselves. That's why Bhagavan said
5वें श्लोक में उन्होंने कहा था
in the 5th verse that
उद्धार स्वयं
you uplift yourself.
दूसरों के उद्धार में मत लगिए। भगवान ये नहीं कहिए
Don't waste time in uplifting others. Bhagavan never says that uplift the whole world.
तो अगर आप
He says you uplift yourself.
दूसरे का उद्धार,
So if you cannot improve yourself, how can you improve others?
तो इसलिए कहते हैं कि प्रशांत
That's why he says Prashantatma.
परमात्मा समाहित है। और ये जो हम भगवान के नाम का जप करते हैं,
This activity of chanting Bhagavan's name,
स्थिर करने,
this is a very good practice to stabilize the mind.
इसलिए उसको मंत्र बोलते हैं।
That is why it is called mantra. Mantra means
करता है
that which stabilizes the mind.
तो मन के अगर अंगुल से निकलना है,
So if we have to get out of this network of the mind,
शक्ति
then mantra japa
तरीका है।
is a very powerful process.
जब केवल उसी के लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं,
Although we do not do mantra japa only for that,
ये भगवान की
we do mantra japa for attaining Bhagavan, his bhakti,
मन भी उससे शांत होता है।
but mantra japa
मंत्र जप
makes the mind also peaceful.
एक नियम लिया है, दीक्षा के समय मेरे को इतने नाम जप करने और खत्म हो गया काम।
So don't do mantra japa just because you have taken diksha and taken a vow of doing certain number of rounds. No, you should understand it is good for you.
मन
Just like you feel nourished when after eating food, similarly your mind becomes powerful. Powerful means it becomes peaceful
के मन में एक जैसे,
after doing mantra japa. Everyone's mind has same power, but somebody's mind is peaceful, somebody's mind is agitated.
बलहीन, यही अंतर है। तो इसके बाद फिर आगे वाला श्लोक
So then Bhagavan speaks the next verse.
के और लक्षण बताते हैं।
He explains more qualities of the Jitatma.
क्या लक्षण है? तो कहते हैं कि ज्ञान विज्ञान तृप्तात्मा कूटस्थो विजितेन्द्रियः युक्त इति उच्यते योगी समय लोष्ट्रास में कांचन। जिस व्यक्ति का हृदय
Translation: the person whose heart is satisfied through knowledge and immediate realization, who is steady under all circumstances, whose senses are under control, and who regards with equal vision a lump of earth, a stone, and a piece of gold,
ऐसा योग,
such a person who is united with the Supreme through Yoga Yukta is called a yogi.
यहाँ योगी की परिभाषा उन्होंने की है। और ये योगी जो है वो
So here Bhagavan has defined yogi, and this is not a sadhaka yogi, this is a yukta yogi, because one who is practicing is also yogi.
योगी, यानी कि जिसको भगवत प्राप्ति हो गई है,
But here Bhagavan
तो उसको
says,
सिद्धि
one
प्राप्त
who
हो गई
has
है,
attained
तो
Bhagavan, who has attained Siddhi through Karma Yoga,
उसका क्या
because
होगा?
the context was
ज्ञान
about Karma
विज्ञान
Yoga.
तृप्तात्मा,
So Bhagavan says,
ये
Jnana
अंदर
Vijnana
से
Triptatma.
रहता है मन जो,
This person, his mind
जब
is
हमारा मन
self
तृप्त नहीं रहता है तो हम विषयों के
satisfied,
पीछे
satisfied within. When we are not
अपने
satisfied
कहने
within,
सुनने के विषय
we
प्राप्त
run after
करेंगे
sense objects because
तो
we
हम
think
परिपूर्ण
that
परिपूर्ण हो जाएंगे,
by attaining sense
तृप्त हो
objects
जाएंगे,
we will
लेकिन वास्तव में वो
we
कभी
will
संभव
become
नहीं है,
full, but that
क्योंकि
is
हम
not possible
आध्यात्मिक हैं,
because
ईश्वर
we are
भक्ति करते
spiritual beings and the
हैं,
sense
तो भक्ति
objects are
दृष्टि से
material.
आप आध्यात्मिक
So
चीज की
material
प्राप्ति नहीं कर
objects
सकते हैं।
cannot satisfy
जैसे
us.
अगर कोई सोने का आभूषण है और उसका कोई
Like
हिस्सा टूट
if
जाए
there is a golden ornament
तो उसको
and
फिर से
some
करने के लिए
part
आपको सोना ही लाना
breaks,
पड़ेगा,
then in order
उसका
to
लोहा
fill
ही
that
लाना
you
पड़ेगा,
need gold
लोहा
only.
लाएंगे तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा,
You cannot fill the golden,
तो
a
सोना
broken
में
golden
कुछ
ornament with
समझ नहीं
iron.
आएगी।
A broken golden
अगर आपके
ornament
भोजन
has
में
to
नमक
be
कम है
repaired
तो
with
नमक
gold
कम होने
only.
के लिए उसमें आप नमक ही डालेंगे ना, चीनी तो नहीं
In
डालेंगे।
your food, if you have less salt, so you will pour more
इसी
salt
प्रकार
only,
हम
not
आध्यात्मिक
sugar.
जीवन में
Similarly,
और हमें
we are
अपने
spiritual
अपने आप
beings,
को परिपूर्ण बनाना
and
है तो हमको
if we
आध्यात्मिक
want
जीवन
to
से
make
क्या
ourselves
मिलता है,
complete
तो
human
वो
beings,
भगवान की भक्ति है,
then that is
उसी से
possible through
परिपूर्णता है,
spirituality only, and
क्योंकि
especially
भगवान
Bhagwan's
की भक्ति जो
bhakti,
है वो आध्यात्मिक
because we are
भक्ति है।
spiritual beings and bhakti is also
तो ये
spiritual.
जो बाहर के विषय हैं ये हमको
So
परिपूर्ण
these
कभी भी नहीं
external
कर
sense
सकते,
objects, they can
इसलिए
never make us complete.
किसी को कितना मर्जी पैसा मिल जाए, कितनी संपत्ति मिल जाए,
So
फिर
no
भी
matter how much wealth one
उसका मन
has,
कभी शांत नहीं होगा।
his or her mind
हिरण्यकशिपु
will
के
never
पास में
be
क्या कमी
become
थी?
peaceful by that wealth.
तीनों लोगों पर उसका राज्य था,
Hiranyakashipu was
उसका
not
नाम भी
lacking in
हिरण्यकशिपु
anything.
था। हिरण्य का मतलब स्वर्ण होता
He had control over the entire of over all three
है,
worlds.
फिर भी उसकी
He
भूख
had
नहीं थी,
everything, but still
उसके
he
अंदर
was
अपने
not satisfied.
एक
He
छोटा
was
सा
not
बच्चा को वो
peaceful.
नियंत्रण में नहीं कर सका। लेकिन जब ये ज्ञान में हमको प्राप्त हो जाता है, आध्यात्मिक ज्ञान, तो यहाँ ज्ञान का मतलब है
But when we get spiritual knowledge, here
और विज्ञान का
knowledge
मतलब है
means
प्रत्यक्ष
theoretical
अनुभवात्मक ज्ञान।
knowledge, and Vigyan means
तो उससे भी
experiential
हमारा मन
knowledge.
शांत हो जाता है, तृप्त हो जाता है।
So then our mind becomes satisfied.
हम आध्यात्मिक जीव हैं, इसलिए हम
We
हमेशा
are
ज्ञान ढूंढते
spiritual
हैं।
beings, so we always search for
हमारा
knowledge.
स्वभाव है ज्ञान प्राप्त करना,
This is our swabhava.
लेकिन अगर हमारा स्वभाव है ज्ञान प्राप्त करना तो कुछ
But
ऐसा
if
ज्ञान होना चाहिए जिसको प्राप्त करने से हमारी ज्ञान प्राप्ति की आकांक्षा पूरी हो जाएगी। जैसे हमारा स्वभाव है हमको भूख लगती
if it is our swabhava to get knowledge, we should get such knowledge that will
है, ऐसा
make
है,
us
इतनी
satisfied.
मात्रा
Like
है,
if
तो
we are
खाने के बाद
hungry,
हमारी भूख शांत हो जाती है। ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हम भूखे ही रहेंगे, खाते
we
जाओ
eat certain quantity that makes us satisfied. It is not that we continue eating and eating.
अगर हमारी आकांक्षा हम सब
Similarly,
हमारी जिज्ञासा रहती है, जानने की इच्छा रहती है, तो ऐसा कुछ ज्ञान होना चाहिए जो मिल जाए तो फिर हमको लगेगा कि हाँ अब मेरे को और कुछ जानने की आवश्यकता नहीं, अब मैं तृप्त हो गया। तो वो परमात्मा संबंधी ज्ञान ही है।
so we should try aspire for that knowledge which will satisfy us. That knowledge is knowledge related to Paramatma.
में लगा हुआ है,
Today's modern science is also searching for knowledge only.
में लगा हुआ
Modern science is trying to search for so much knowledge, and they have discovered so much
लोक की, फिर चंद्र लोक की, उसके
on this earth, then moon, sun, galaxy,
गैलेक्सी,
and there are so many billions of galaxies, and science is
उनकी आकांक्षा शांत नहीं होगी।
discovering so much. But that desire for discovery will never be fully satisfied, because the more you search, still you want to search more and more. Black hole, dark energy, dark matter.
उनका समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि कैसे काम
Now we don't even understand how this gravitation works. Earlier Newton proposed a theory, but Einstein refuted that. But in that only people are saying no, it is also not correct. there is some problem with that also, and how gravity works, that we don't understand that also,
उसका मास ही नहीं
because at quantum level it has no mass only. Then where is the question of gravity?
और जब वहां पर ग्रेविटी नहीं है तो फिर ये बाद में
And if there is no gravity there,
न्याय में आता है ना कि वो कहते हैं अणु में वजन नहीं है,
like we hear in Nyaya, it says that Anu has no weight.
विज्ञान भी आधुनिक विज्ञान के सामने भी है।
So modern science also faces this problem. But the spiritual knowledge is such that when you attain that, you become satisfied.
ना भी जाने तो आप तृप्त
Then you can learn more, but even if you do not learn more, you are still satisfied.
नहीं होगी,
But material knowledge will never satisfy us. Just like material sense objects, they never satisfy us.
नहीं होगी मनुष्य
Similarly, we never become satisfied by material knowledge also.
आएगा तब
It is not that there will be a day when modern science will say that we have learnt everything, there is nothing more to be learnt. That will never happen, because Prakriti is unlimited. You will always keep finding something new or the other.
लेकिन जब हम
So you will always aspire to learn more and more.
भगवान
But if
जिनसे सारा
the source of all knowledge, that is Bhagavan, from whom all the knowledge emanates, if we understand Bhagavan,
तो परम
when we experience him,
उसको देख कर फिर आदमी तृप्त प्रशांत हो जाता है, फिर इसकी
seeing that, the person becomes
तो उसी के लिए भगवान कहते हैं
peaceful. When we get that knowledge, we become peaceful, satisfied.
था विजितेंद्रिय, तो वो फिर कूटस्थ हो जाता है।
Then the person becomes kutastha. Kut means
लोहार कुछ रख के ऊपर से हथौड़ा मारता है, यानी कि उसमें कोई
the iron on which
निर्विकार हो जाता है,
on which we strike. So this person will become nirvikar. He will
उसको
not become agitated by external
उसका मन
situations.
नहीं होता है, शांत रहता
The person does not become disturbed.
है, परमात्मा समाहित
He will be peaceful because now he is situated in Paramatma.
रूप में स्थित है।
He is situated in his own Swarupa.
तो श्री जीव गोस्वामी जी भक्ति संदर्भ में आरंभ में
So Shri Jiva Goswami, he speaks in the first verse of Bhakti Sandarbha
भगवान के ज्ञान
that
पराग भाव है,
the Jiva has Paraga Bhav of the Jnana of Bhagavan,
आदि अविद्या,
Anadi Avidya,
और
the beginningless ignorance.
नहीं करेंगे
And unless we get this knowledge,
हमको शांति नहीं मिलेगी।
we will not become peaceful.
तो वास्तव में
So actually,
हमारा जो मनुष्य जीवन है
our human life
परमात्मा प्राप्ति
is meant for attaining Paramatma only. It is meant for becoming peaceful only.
लेकिन आश्चर्य ये है कि हम
But
जिसको उन्नति बोलते
it is surprising that what we call as development, in that we only
जितना समाज आज अशांत है,
get disturbance.
शांत नहीं था।
The extent of disturbance that we see in today's society, it never happened earlier. The amount of fear and anxiety that human being has today,
समस्याएं हैं,
the mental health problems that we have today, it never happened earlier.
तो ये उन्नति है अवनति है,
So is this development or degradation? That is something we should reflect on.
ना ही शांति
Actually, human life is meant for
अगर वो शांति प्राप्त नहीं करता है तो उसके
becoming peaceful only.
क्योंकि अशांति तो पशु में भी नहीं है, और ये शांति ज्ञान प्राप्त करने से होगी। मनुष्य किसी का वाक्य है, ह्यूमन बीइंग इज कंडेम्ड टू बी डिस्टर्ब्ड, किसी पाश्चात्य के फिलोसफर ने कहा।
Some Western philosopher said that human being is condemned to be disturbed. So the point is that
बनना पड़ेगा,
either you have to become superhuman or an animal.
तो सुपर ह्यूमन या अति मानव बनने के लिए आपको आध्यात्मिकता,
So in order to become superhuman,
पशु बनने के लिए आप ड्रग ले लो, शराब पी लो,
a good human,
अज्ञान में चले जाओ। पशु मतलब अज्ञानता। तो आज समाज में
So animal means ignorance.
जो मादक द्रव्यों का प्रयोग हो रहा
In
है
today's
हर
society,
जगह,
the extent of
मूल कारण यही है
addiction
कि आध्यात्मिकता चली गई।
that is existing, its main reason is because spirituality is lost.
आध्यात्मिकता को छोड़ दिया विज्ञान के बल पर। लेकिन मनुष्य को या तो ऊपर उठना पड़ेगा या नीचे
The
जाना
human
पड़ेगा।
being has to either upgrade or degrade.
बीच
You
में
cannot
रहेगा
stay in the
यही रहेगा।
same position, then you will be miserable.
भागवत में भी कहा है कि
In Srimad Bhagavatam also it is said,
दो एदते पुरुष कि यश्च मूढ़तमो लोके यश्च बुद्धे परम गता। कहते हैं इस संसार में दो ही प्रकार के लोग सुख हैं, जो एक
so it is said that in this world there are only two types of people who are happy, those who are
जिसने
complete fools,
आत्मा का दर्शन कर लिया बुद्धे परम,
and the others who are self-realized. The middle ones are always miserable.
दुखी रहना नहीं चाहता है तो इसलिए वो
So if you do not want to be, and because that person does not want misery, so he gets into addiction because he anyway doesn't have any spirituality in life.
क्योंकि वो तृप्ति को ढूंढता है। मनुष्य मनुष्य जो है वो शांति खोज रहा है।
The human being is searching for peace.
तो वो शांति या तो पशु में मिलेगी,
So that peace is either possible through
लेकिन वो टिकाऊ नहीं है।
animalistic life, but that is not permanent, that is temporary, or spirituality.
भगवान जो है वो कहते हैं कि आप अपने
So
आप को
Bhagavan
नीचे मत
says
गिराइए,
that you do not degrade yourself, don't run after addictions, you upgrade yourself.
कहा कि आप जहाँ हैं वहीं रहिए,
Bhagavan never says that you remain in the same situation. He says that
ऊपर उठाओ।
uplift yourself.
का मतलब है जहाँ है वहाँ मत रहिए।
Uplifting means do not remain in the same situation and don't fall down also.
अपने को नीचे मत गिराओ।
Do not degrade yourself.
जहाँ है वहाँ रहेंगे,
Why?
नीचे गिरेंगे। अगर आप
Because
आध्यात्मिकता नहीं ग्रहण करते हैं तो आपका पतन अवश्यम भावी है और अगले जीवन में फिर पशु बनेंगे।
if you do not accept spirituality, then your fall down is guaranteed, and in next life you will be born in some animal species. So spirituality is essential for
ज्ञान विज्ञान
every human being, and that is what will satisfy you.
विजितेंद्रिय इंद्रियों पर विजय प्राप्त हो गई आपकी,
Then you will achieve victory over your senses.
नास्ति बुद्धि
Otherwise, Bhagavan had said in the second chapter,
न च भावयत शांति अशांतस्य कुतः सुखम। अगर आप युक्त नहीं बनते हैं तो अयुक्त
if you do not become yukta,
रहेंगे तो
united, then you will be ayukta, not united,
के अंदर कोई
and then
नहीं होगा
you will not be intelligent,
बुद्धि नहीं
you will not have any
होगा, आपका मन
feeling of
और जिसका मन
empathy,
सुखी नहीं होगा
you will be disturbed,
तो
you will be unhappy, miserable.
हो जाएंगे।
So, but here Bhagavan says the opposite. He says when you become yukta or united, then you become satisfied. That is why
ज्ञान विज्ञान तृप्तात्मा
he says Jnana Vijnana Triptatma.
के मिट्टी
And then he gives an example
का टुकड़ा समान दृष्टि
that viewing a lump of earth, stone, piece of gold, seeing with equal vision. Seeing with equal vision does not mean that he doesn't understand that this is a lump of earth or this is a stone or this is gold. He knows, but he understands that these are all these are material objects, so they have their utility, so you use them, because we give so much importance to gold, but this importance is ascribed by us.
कुछ नहीं है,
Actually, what does gold have?
हमने उसको कुछ
But we have given that importance to gold.
इतनी ज्यादा कीमत है।
That's why it is so costly.
वास्तव में तो न्याय के अनुसार तो पृथ्वी ही है,
Actually, according to Nyaya, it is Prithvi only.
पृथ्वी तत्व के साथ में थोड़ा तेज
It is earth matter,
स्वर्ण को
earth element,
तेजस्वी मानते हैं,
and some Teja is also in that.
इसलिए उसको मिल जाए तो उससे कहने का मतलब है कि अगर उसको स्वर्ण मिल जाए तो बहुत वो प्रसन्न नहीं
So the point is that this yogi, he will not be very happy if he gets gold, and if he loses gold, he will not be miserable also. He understands this comes and goes.
चाहे सोना है,
So whether this is lump of earth or it's some pieces of gold. He understands all these are for seva of Bhagavan only. So he will use everything for seva to Bhagavan or social service.
और ऐसे व्यक्ति को युक्त कहते हैं.
And such a person is called Yukta. Yukta means one who is yoga ruda, who is ascended on the path of yoga, who is united with Bhagavan, Paramatma.
युक्त योगी होता है. तो यहाँ युक्त योगी की बात.
So there is a Prayunjan yogi and Yukta yogi. Here the mention is of Yukta yogi. So we will stop here for today, and if you have any question, you can ask.
नरेश जी का प्रश्न है, यदि कोई हमारी प्रशंसा करता है तो हमें अपने
Question.
रोजमर्रा के व्यवहार में उसे कैसे
If
स्वीकार
someone praises us, how should we accept it or reject or ignore it in our today's dealings? Sometimes people also condemn us to demoralize us. How to handle this? So this is a very good question, very practical question, because this is what happens in our life.
हमारी कोई प्रश्न
So when somebody is praising us,
इसलिए उसको जैसा मैंने कहा ये सोचना
so as I said, we should understand that this person is very gracious, that he is seeing virtue in me, and actually these qualities do not belong to me. They have been given to me by grace of Bhagavan. So
सुनकर बहुत
by hearing them, I should not become very inflated in my ego. I should not become more egoistic. I have received them by the grace of Bhagavan.
इनको
And if this person is seeing that, then fine.
तो मेरे को अगर मैं उस समय गर्व करने महसूस करने लगता हूँ.
So then if I start feeling proud, egoistic,
ऐसा करता है.
if somebody praises us,
रिकॉर्ड भी कर लेते हैं.
then we even record that and we show others also that see now what this person is telling about me. Now listen to this. Then we
इनके साथ में
record photo, we click photo also
हम अपनी प्रशंसा
and show this person said this about me. That means I want to hear my own praise. And
अपने निंदा का कष्ट उठाने के लिए
I already said that we are sowing the seed of suffering on being criticized. And if somebody is criticizing me and I know that the criticism is not correct, then you should simply understand that there is some karma of mine in the previous life because of which I am getting the reaction through this person. So I become free of that karma and I become purified. Otherwise, that impurity remains within me.
मानकर हमको अपने
So, in this way,
एक शांत कूटस्थ होकर रहना.
I can remain peaceful, and we have to practice this because this will not happen on its own.
रखनी पड़ेगी.
We have to remain aware, we have to be conscious about it. When somebody praises me, then immediately become careful that this person is
कोई प्रशंसा करे,
trying to push me into the ditch.
प्रसन्न होकर ये सोचना कि बहुत
If somebody praises you,
सोचिए कि ये अब मेरे को दुख में डालना चाह रहा है.
you should understand that this person is
आपको ये निर्णय
going to make me miserable.
कि जितने भी
This is how you have to think.
ये मेरे कष्ट का बीज है. और उसी के कारण फिर गुस्सा आता है.
Should understand that you will later become angry when you will not be praised.
हैं जिनको आप
All these celebrities,
तो ये ज्यादातर लोग आपने देखा होगा कि ये सब मादक
mostly you will see that they have lot of addictions. Why they have so much addiction? That is because when they are on the stage,
को बहुत आनंद आता है.
they enjoy a lot.
लोग उनकी तालियां बजा
Thousands of people are praising them,
राफ ले रहे हैं.
clapping their hands. They are running after autographs. But that does not happen all the time. It happens for some time. After that, when these people come down from the stage, they feel so much emptiness, so much loneliness. They suffer a lot.
लेते हैं.
So, in order to get rid of that suffering, they take shelter of addictions. As I said, that either you have to become a superhuman or become like an animal. You can't be in the middle.
पर जा रहे हैं और सामने से
Like if you are going on the road in darkness and a car is approaching,
दिखेगा, लेकिन
so
जैसे
you
कार चली जाएगी
see
एकदम
light,
अंधेरा
there is so much light,
ज्यादा अंधेरा आपको
and when the car goes away, then you feel darker than earlier also.
मंच पर होते
So these people suffer like that only. When they are in on the stage, they are in the limelight.
से भी प्रकाश रहता है,
And anyway, there are a lot of
जब वहां से
headlights
नीचे
on the
उतरते हैं और
stage.
अपने घर जा रहे
But
हैं
when they come down from the stage and go home, they have to be with the wife. The wife is wife. Wife is not going to praise you. She will criticize you.
क्योंकि जितनी प्रशंसा सुनी थी वो कष्ट
So then they suffer so much. So whatever praise they heard on the stage, they sowed the seeds of misery. And in your home, your wife is not going to praise you.
तो फिर पिएगा,
Then he will has to take. Then he takes shelter of alcohol.
इस समस्या का
He consumes wine.
कि जब प्रशंसा हो
So the solution is that when you are being praised, become extremely careful.
बड़े
That
कष्ट का बीज बोया जाए,
now the seed of my sorrow
बाद में आप
is being sown.
नहीं तो फिर आप
Then later you will be peaceful.
थोड़े सा कोई कुछ बोलेगा तुरंत आपको गुस्सा आएगा,
Otherwise, somebody tells you something and you will become very angry
आपको ऊपर चढ़ा दिया इतना, अब वहां से नीचे आप नहीं आना चाहते हैं,
because your ego became inflated so much that you do not want to reduce it now.
चढ़ाया जा रहा है वो गिराने के लिए,
So
वास्तव में कोई मन से
be careful of becoming proud or egoistic when somebody is praising you.
से करते हैं,
Because actually, nobody praises you from his heart, whether you accept it or no. Mostly praise is false only,
आपसे कुछ उनको
and it is meant to get the work done.
चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, उस समय ना हो बाद में हो कि यार इतने बड़ा आदमी है, इससे मेरा संबंध बन जाएगा तो मेरे को कुछ लाभ
So why people praise?
जरूरी नहीं
They praise because they want to make some connection with you,
लेकिन केवल वो संबंध बनाना भी,
or they, even if they do not want to derive any benefit, they want to make some relation, thinking that later you may be of use to them.
ऐश्वर्य होता है
Because whenever somebody has some opulence,
काम करने में उपयोगी,
opulence means
ऐश्वर्य बोलते
that
हैं, धन है चाहे पद है,
which is useful in getting the work done. It may be wealth or post position. So people want to make relations with such people because we keep facing some problem or the other, and with our own effort we cannot solve all the problems, so we need others help. That's why we want to make relations with powerful people.
खुश करने के लिए उनकी प्रशंसा
And in order to make relation, you have to do something. For that, you have to
करता है तो आप
praise them. Because when somebody praises you, your heart opens up.
लेना है,
If you want some donation from somebody, then you have to praise.
हैं आप तो ये हैं, आप तो वो आदमी फिर मना नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि आपने प्रशंसा कर दी, अब बेचारा क्या करे, देना ही पड़ेगा उसको। तो ऐसे ही प्रशंसा की जाती है, जैसे आप प्रशंसा करते हैं, ये समझ लीजिए कि जैसे आप
Just like you praise others,
करते हैं,
similarly others also praise you.
दूसरों की प्रशंसा करते हैं,
Simple.
क्या वास्तव में आप अपने दिल से कर रहे हैं क्या?
When you are praising others, are you praising them from your heart?
प्रश्न है बाबा जी, यदि कोई व्यक्ति पागल हो जाए या अपने
Question:
नियंत्रण खो दे,
what happens if a person goes insane and loses control of his mind? Is this just a result of karma, like a physical disease, or is it different? Answer: yeah, it is actually result of karma only, whether karma done in this life or in some previous life.
गलत चीज खा लें तो गलत चीज खाना भी तो एक
If you eat the wrong food, so that is a karma,
आपका मन
and because of that your
भोजन का भी असर पड़ता है,
mind will become polluted, because food also affects us.
ऐसा निषिद्ध कर्म करें
Or you do some
नहीं है,
forbidden activity
नाम भी मन के ऊपर पड़ता है।
that is forbidden in Shastra, so then it affects your mind.
संदीप जी कृपया अपना प्रश्न पूछें।
धन्यवाद, प्रणाम बाबा जी महाराज। तो मेरा प्रश्न ये है कि चैतन्य महाप्रभु जी
Question:
एक तरफ कह रहे हैं,
My question is,
अपि सुनिचय
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
सहिष्णु नाम,
taught the Trinadapi Sunichen
भगवान श्री
verse.
कृष्ण अपने प्रैक्टिकल
But we also see in Bhagavad Gita, although Bhagavan is telling that we should tolerate, but in practical life, we see in the Shishupal episode, he said that after he is done with criticizing me 100 times, I will kill him.
शांति दूत बन के गए, लेकिन फिर
We see in Mahabharata that Bhagavan went to Hastinapur as peace messenger,
या कि इसे मार देना चाहिए. तो प्रैक्टिकलिटी
but
में कुछ
there was so much violence
और वैसे
in Mahabharata also. So how do we reconcile this?
में आधार नहीं दिख रहा है, आपने समझा नहीं है,
So answer, there is no adharma at practical level.
अलग नहीं दिख रहा है.
There is nothing different.
ये नहीं कि आप
Becoming peaceful does not mean you become stone.
अगर शांत होने का मतलब यही है कि आप कुछ भी क्रिया
If becoming peaceful means that you become inert, then
फिर आप में और पत्थर में क्या अंतर
what is the difference between you and stone? Stone is also peaceful. You keep a stone in heat, cold, you hit it with a hammer, or
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
offer flowers on the stone, it is not affected. So then, are you stone?
ये कर्म नहीं करना है, लेकिन कर्तव्य
So becoming peaceful does not mean that you do not perform your duty, but performing duty,
दूसरे आदमी ने मेरे को
performance of duty can be in two ways. One is you just react. Whatever others do unto you, you react to them. But the other one is that if somebody is criticizing you, you think clearly. Should I remain peaceful? Should I counteract? What should I do? So Bhagavan heard criticism 100 times, so he remained peaceful. But he had told that I will hear 100 times, but not after that. Because if you don't do that, then what will the other person think? He will think that this is a useless person. You do anything to this person, he has no power only. And the other point is that it was an assembly and he was creating disturbance in the assembly. Yudhishthir Maharaj's Rajasuya Yagya was going on and Shishupal is simply criticizing. So suppose a meeting is going on and one person he stands up and starts simply criticizing. So then how will that work? You have to tell that person to become peaceful. So then you say that okay, we will tolerate for some time, after that we will take action. So Bhagavan tolerated, he remained peaceful.
प्रतिक्रिया ना दिखाने के बजाय आप क्रिया करें, क्या कैसा.
So instead of just reacting impulsively, you think, you plan that what sort of response is appropriate to this action of criticism. So it is not that Bhagavan says something and does something else. So then follow-up question is that it is often seen in spiritual institutions that the sadhak, seen among sadhakas, it is seen that somebody says something and the other person, he loses faith in spirituality.
पता नहीं आप क्या कह रहे हैं, कुछ
So what should be done? So I am not clear what you are saying. Tell clearly.
मान लीजिए किसी एक
कह रहे हैं उसको ठीक से बोलिए, कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं.
So tell clearly what you want to say.
में जजमेंटल हो जाते हैं कि ये व्यक्ति गलत है, इसका स्वभाव ठीक नहीं है, हालांकि वो अध्यात्म में अपना प्रयास कर
So
रहा है.
sometimes people become judgmental about other sadhakas.
तो मैं क्या
So then the other sadhaka may become demotivated and lose faith. So my question is, suppose you lose enthusiasm,
तो आप मूर्ख
then how does that benefit you?
आप अपने जीवन को
If you lose enthusiasm, you are foolish or the other person is foolish. Somebody tells you something and you become deviated.
है कि दूसरों के वचनों से हमको अपने उद्देश्य से नहीं भटकना, हमको विचलित नहीं होना. बार-बार
That's what I told in the class, that we should not
में क्या गरिमा रही,
become deviated by someone else's statements. So then what is your value if you just walk away becoming
सहन कीजिए, उसी के लिए
demotivated by what somebody else says? So if you maintain your determination and enthusiasm, what is your loss? And if you walk away, what is your benefit then?
करनी चाहिए कि शांत रह के चलते रहना.
So then question is, should we respond, or we should just be peaceful and walk away? So answer, first of all, remain peaceful internally, because if you are not peaceful internally, then you will simply react.
कर दें वो भी प्रतिक्रिया है। और मैं जो कह रहा हूँ कि प्रतिक्रिया की बजाय आप
What I am saying is
सोचिए कि मैं
that instead of reacting, be peaceful and think what is response. Whether you walk away or react, it will be response. But what you are saying is just reacting impulsively. That means you became disturbed.
ना होकर फिर आपको
So instead of becoming disturbed, you have to see what you should do.
मैं क्या कह सकता हूँ फिर
But if you become disturbed, then what can I say about that?
धन्यवाद बाबा।
दीपक जी का प्रश्न है बाबा जी, आपने
Next
बताया
question.
कि
You mentioned that enjoying happiness means we are sowing the seeds of sorrow.
तो क्या
So does this mean we should not be happy?
नहीं होना चाहिए। सही बात है, बुरी लगेगी और समझ में भी नहीं
Yes, answer is this only. We should not be happy. You will not like my statement, because when you are happy, you will not be able to experience ananda. You are sowing the seeds of sorrow. This is the difference between happiness and ananda.
है कि एक जो
Here the difference that we are highlighting is happiness means the happiness through sense objects.
ना करना चाहें,
Even if you don't want to use the word ananda, one is the happiness through sense objects and other is spiritual happiness. So if you want spiritual happiness, you have to give up the sensory happiness. As long as you are running after sensory happiness, you will definitely experience sorrow also. So if you want sensory happiness, it is guaranteed that you will suffer.
आप सिक्का लें
Nobody can stop this. As I said, there are two sides of the coin.
तो ये द्वंद्व है,
You will get both. So this is duality.
दुख है और एक निर्द्वंद सुख है।
One happiness is the happiness of duality, the duality of happiness, sorrow. Other is spiritual. So the opposite of happiness is sorrow, but there is no opposite of ananda. It is only ananda.
नेताजी जी कृपया अपना प्रश्न पूछें।
धन्यवाद, प्रणाम महाराज जी। महाराज जी, इन श्लोकों पे अगर हम लोग जैसे
Question.
दो उदाहरण देख रहे हैं, जैसे
On these verses, if we do examples, like the response of Pandavas towards Kauravas,
ब्राह्मण का रिस्पॉन्स देखते हैं,
and we see the response of Avanti Brahman in Bhagavatam,
अवंती ब्राह्मण भागवतम में हम देखते हैं अवंती ब्राह्मण के ऊपर, और या विदुर जी के ऊपर, विदुर जी ने जब दुर्योधन ने उनका अपमान
or
किया
when Vidur was criticized by Duryodhan, so instead of reacting,
चले गए थे।
he
तो इन
walked away.
साथ हम लोग
So
हम लोग किस प्रकार
from these examples, how should we behave?
विदुर जी की तरह तो कैसे
Should we
तो ये देखना पड़ेगा
respond like Pandavas or Vidur? So as I said, there is no one size fit all solution
समाज में
for this, because in society there are so many different situations. Pandavas were princes, Brahman is different, Brahman dharma is different, Kshatriya dharma is different.
क्षत्रिय का धर्म होता है समाज में,
Kshatriya's dharma is to establish peace in the society, to protect dharma. Brahman, that is not the dharma of Brahmana. Brahman's dharma is to practice himself. It is not his dharma to rule over others. If somebody is doing something wrong, Brahman should try to counteract that, and he doesn't have that power also.
वर्णाश्रम धर्म है,
So today we do not have that varnashram dharma in the society. We are a republic.
मेरे क्या अधिकार हैं,
So we have to see what rights we have, what power we have, and what is the proper response. But the main point what I am trying to make is, whatever you do internally, you have to be peaceful. This is the main point. Unless you understand this point, whatever you do externally, it will be wrong only.
जो है ना वो अपने आप में
Internally,
रहना है,
we have to remain situated within ourselves, and then we have to take a decision
कायदे कानून
according to the rules, regulations of the society.
एक्शन ले सकता हूँ मैं लोग। लेकिन आंतरिक स्थिति मेरी समता की रहनी चाहिए।
But our internal state should be of peace only. If internally I am not at peace, then whatever I do externally, from spiritual point of view, it will be wrong only.
स्थिति समता की
And
है
if I am
तो फिर मैं ठीक व्यवहार
peaceful internally, then obviously I will act
नियंत्रित होकर
externally also in the proper way.
मेरी आंतरिक स्थिति समता की नहीं होती है,
When we are not peaceful, then we are under others' control.
बस कार्य करता हूँ फिर।
Then we act helplessly according to the situation. We do not work with our intelligence.
कर्म बंधम प्राहस्य से कि तुम बुद्धि से युक्त होकर काम करो।
What Bhagavan said, that you act being united with your intelligence and then get out of the bondage of karma.
कर्म पैदा नहीं कर,
So getting out of the bondage of karma means you are not creating new karma.
कर्म के अनुसार जो फल मिल रहा है उसमें आप शांत होकर निर्णय लेकर काम करेंगे।
Whatever reaction you are getting to the karma of previous life,
बुद्धि यस्य न लिप्यते,
you accept that.
पहुंच कर वो कहते हैं
You do not react.
लोकन, वो पूरी दुनिया को मार दे तो भी इसको पाप नहीं लगता। जो संदीप जी पूछ रहे थे कि ये तो
So Bhagavan said that one who is situated like this internally, even if he is killing the whole world, he has no karma.
जो है ये पूरा आंतरिक स्थिति को
So spirituality is all about internal state.
थैंक यू बाबा जी।
मोहिनी जी का प्रश्न है, आपने बताया
Next
कि
question.
हम सभी का स्वभाव ज्ञान प्राप्त करने का है।
You said that we all have this swabhava of obtaining knowledge, but Vedic psychology teaches that it is the swabhava of jigyasu to get jnana. So what is the difference between both?
जिज्ञासु का मतलब जो स्वभाव ज्ञान प्राप्त करना चाहता है, तो कहना क्या चाह रही है समझ नहीं आया।
कहना चाह रही हैं कि आपने बताया कि सभी का स्वभाव है
Her point is that you said it is everyone's swabhava to get to desire knowledge, but Vedic psychology says it is the swabhava of jigyasu to desire knowledge. So answer, everyone is jigyasu. So who is not jigyasu?
करता देखता जानना चाहता है वो
Everyone is jigyasu. A person goes, sees here, there. Difference is you are jigyasu, you are inquisitive about what? But everyone is inquisitive about something or the other.
पहले क्या पूछते हैं, हाउ आर यू, आप कैसे
When you meet somebody, what do you ask? You ask, how are you? So what does that mean?
नहीं करते हैं, कोई भी मूर्ख से मूर्ख व्यक्ति भी कहता है कैसे हैं आप,
Even the biggest fool, he also asks, how are you?
हो गए नहीं होंगे।
So there is an inquisitiveness or no?
क्या स्तर है वो अलग बात
Now the difference is in the level of inquisitiveness.
इंद्रा जी का प्रश्न है, क्या
Next question,
माता पिता को अपने बच्चों की प्रशंसा करनी चाहिए?
should parents praise their children?
है। माता पिता की प्रशंसा, बच्चों की प्रशंसा करोगे तो ठीक है कीजिए आप, और करके उसका परिणाम आएगा जो आएगा।
So yeah, you can praise the children, and whatever will be the result, you have to face that.
उत्साहित करने के लिए आप
So
कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उनको बाद में
you are praising them to encourage them, but then you have to also explain to them.
कि हमको अब किसी की प्रशंसा ही नहीं करनी है,
It is not that we should not praise anyone.
तो पहले अपने लिए समझिए आप।
So first of all, you apply this on yourself. You have to understand this. When you understand this for yourself, then you will understand for others also.
हेलो। बाबा जी, आजकल समाज में एक विषय देखने
question.
के लिए मिलता है,
Nowadays, we see in society
जब मंदिरों में
that
मज़ा आ रहा है पहले से
there is a
साल पहले
huge crowd in the
में भी अभी
temples. We even see in Vrindavan such a massive crowd.
साउथ इंडिया में भी मेरे को देखने के लिए मिलता है कि
I am now seeing this in South India also.
लोग आना
Even for small programs, there is so much crowd.
आध्यात्मिक बढ़ रहा है समाज में, और कैसे देखते
So seeing this, how do we understand, is spirituality increasing in society or no? So question, does crowd in temple mean spirituality in society? So what do you call as spirituality?
भगवान के ऊपर तरफ थोड़ा अपना मन लेके आना।
आध्यात्मिकता का मतलब होता है कि आत्मा संबंधी जिज्ञासा और
Spirituality means inquisitiveness related to Atma, and after knowing, then acting upon that.
तो अगर
That
कोई
is spirituality.
मंदिर में भीड़ जा रही है
So simply if there is crowd in the temple,
नहीं है,
so it is not necessary that it is
ज्यादातर मंदिर
spirituality.
में लोग किस लिए जाते हैं?
Mostly why do people go to temple? That is because they have some problem.
इसी मंदिर में आप
They,
प्रसिद्धि कर दीजिए थे कि अगर यहाँ पर एक
if you
नारियल
make some
चढ़ाइए
temple
आपकी
famous, that
मनोकामना
if
पूरी हो
you
जाएगी।
offer a
लगेगी नहीं
coconut here, then your desire will be fulfilled.
लगती है,
Then there will be crowd or no?
नहीं है?
In Vrindavan,
राधा रमन
why there is so much rush in Bihariji temple? Don't you have other temples like Radha Govind ji, Radha Damodar ji, Radha Gopinath ji, etc.? These are all very old temples. Or Radha Vallabh ji.
पुराने मंदिर हैं।
These are all very old temples. So why there is so much rush in Bihariji mandir only?
क्या आध्यात्मिकता वहीं पर है?
Is spirituality only in Bihariji temple?
एक प्रसिद्धि हो गई है,
No, it has become famous that Bihariji fulfills all your desires,
भगवान है।
or Bihariji is Sakshat Bhagavan.
आए करके मंदिरों
So it becomes famous. So mostly people go to temples to get their desires fulfilled.
में
So it has nothing to do with spirituality.
अगर वही उनकी मनोकामना पूरी कोई बाबा करने लगे,
If some Baba fulfills this desire,
कोई साधु करने लगे,
or some other sadhu does that, like you have heard about Nirmal Baba.
अभी तो गूगल करके देख लेना यूट्यूब पर, निर्मल बाबा
So you can check on YouTube, Nirmal Baba.
बाबा की तरह ड्रेस भी नहीं
So he's just like, it doesn't even dress like a Baba, just named like that Baba. And he has such a rush,
ऐसे ही जाते हैं जिसका
and
काम नहीं हो
people approach him.
नौकरी नहीं मिल रही है, तो
Somebody is not getting job or something.
ऊपर कृपा की
So then he says that there is some lack of mercy on you. So do you go to Hanumanji temple?
जब हनुमान
So then you say yes. So then he asks, when you go to Hanumanji temple, then outside temple
लगती है, हाँ
you have the person selling pakoras. Have you ever eaten pakoda there? So then he says, this is where you are not getting kripa, because you don't eat the pakoda there. So he actually speaks like this only. So the next time when you go to the Hanumanji temple, make sure you eat the pakoda there. So he speaks like that only.
पैसा देते हैं वहां पर,
And people go there and they pay money. There are thousands of people there.
ये क्या आध्यात्मिकता है?
So is this spirituality?
नहीं, आप ही बताइए कि क्या ये आध्यात्मिकता है?
नहीं ये तो नहीं है।
So is this spirituality? So no. So this is why you see so much crowd in nowadays in the temples.
की समस्याएं हैं,
People have so many problems and they want to solve their problems, so they go to temples. So it has nothing to do with spirituality.
आपको अगर प्रसिद्ध होना है तो प्रसिद्धि उसी की होगी
If you want to become famous,
कुछ करेगा
then
कि लोगों की
you can become famous by doing something like this, solving people's problems, distribute free food or free medicine, or make some camp or something by which people feel that their problems are getting solved.
आध्यात्मिकता
There will be rush.
गीता
Or you talk about spirituality, give lecture on Gita, then
में क्या बकवास
will there be any rush like
से क्या होगा?
we are having Gita class? So there is no rush, because people say, what is the use of all this?
You mentioned earlier that by doing japa yoga, one becomes peaceful. Now, when one is disturbed in mind and not able to focus on the mantra,
You have to do practice.
so many thoughts come in. Is it not better to stop and maybe do it later?
Yeah, if your mind is so much disturbed, that stop, otherwise you do it. Krishna himself says, Abhyasena tu konte, vairagyena chagriyate. It will come in the 6th chapter only. He says you have to practice. He says two things, practice and vairagya. Means avoid things which disturb the mind and do the practice. So, but generally what happens is that we keep on doing, we do a bit practice for half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever. And rest of the time we are doing things which disturbs the mind. So it's like I want to create fire. So I'm trying to light it, but I'm also pouring some water on it. Then light will not be created. So we have to do two things. We have to stop things which disturb the mind, and we have to practice controlling the mind.
It seems that life has a way of creating situations without us provoking it.
So that is practice. That is for you to practice. Unless you are provoked, you will not get a chance to practice. Okay? प्रार्थना. सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनंदनः पार्थो वत्स सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् एकं शास्त्रं देवकी पुत्र गीतम् एको देवो देवकी पुत्र एव एको मंत्रस्तस्य नामानि यानि कर्माप्येकं तस्य देवस्य सेवा कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः यच्छ्रेयस्यात् निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं साधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम् यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिर् ध्रुवा नीतिर्मतिर्मम कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नंदनाय च नंदगोपकुमाराय गोविंदाय नमो नमः नमः पंकजनाभाय नमः पंकजमालिने नमः पंकजनेत्राय नमस्ते पंकजंघ्रये भवे भवे यथा भक्तिः पादयोस्तव जायते तथा कुरुष्व देवेश नाथस्त्वं नो यतः प्रभो नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनस्तं नमामि हरिं परम् हरि ओम तत्सत्।